folks that want to get the Media Mod accessory, which is just like that, and it's got a microphone and a shield for the wind, and it mounts over the camera, around the camera. So let's just take a look. It comes with its own little mount. There's the little windshield. Keeps the wind noise from coming out. And there it is. Let's see. Yep. Oh, this is the microphone right here. And it is very sensitive and really does a great job. See this little USB? That's going to plug in to the side over here. So to use this, you're going to have to take the battery cover off. Again, the way we do that is I take my 2 fingernails, push on the bottom, pull it down till it clicks like that, and then lift it up. When I get it to this point, just pull. You're not going to break it, but I wouldn't bend it back that way, just out and straight out. And save that. You may need it again. Okay, now what's going to make this great is you can do everything you need in here is going to be in little covers on the outside. So this is going to connect into the camera at this point, and then it's going to extend those. There's your charging port, and here is a video out to a HDMI cable, and you can plug this into your TV and watch your video from your camera on a big large screen TV if you wanted to show your family your windsurfing trip or your skiing trip right off of the camera into the TV. So you're going to need a cord, an adapter cord that is this USB connection to a HDMI cable. It comes with a little short cable. Okay, and then also for external audio or speakers or what have you, there's a little output here. So you got 3 little plugs there. Okay, now to get this open, this is the way it goes right here. And again, you got the same little catch right here that you have, whoop, like right here. Now this one, this is a drain location. This is not a cover that you pull off. This is a little backwards. See, the cover's on the other side. The latch on the case is on the right side. So it's a little confusing, but anyway, you grab this down like that. Pull like that, just like the other cover here. Works the same way. Then that opens it up like that. And now, I don't think this pulls off. It doesn't need to. Now, the way you do this is take this, and now you slide this right in like this. It slides right in, and it's going to line up with that little USB port there, and you push all the way until it comes to this edge. Now it's all the way in. Then you close this. Yeah, I wanted to make sure I was recording. Then pull down, and there, she's locked in. And these are cold shoes that you can mount lights and what have you. Here's another shoe. I believe that, I'm not sure, but I think those are cold. They don't activate when, like a strobe light or something or other, but they can be mounts, and you'll have it. Okay, now this fits on here like this. It goes, this little end goes to the back, and it just slides right over. It rotates around, and it really looks good. There you go. Now you can really do some work with this. and I found I can be 12 feet away and it still records nice level, very nice level. And with this cover, when you're recording, you see the little sound bar meter moving. Let me demonstrate. Okay, I've got to turn the unit on. Just a press. There you go. And it's on now on the front. I'm not recording or anything, but I don't even have to record, and you can see how it's picking up. See, I stopped talking and now I'm talking, and it really picks up. You don't have that without this case. It's part of the case. Somehow it activates that meter. So when I'm recording, there, you can see the meter, and so you can really see. Now on the front, I don't see the meter on the front. It doesn't show on there. But there are some, if you look into the user manual, there are some ways of changing what is viewed on the front screen. So you don't just get one option. There's several options of viewing to no view at all. There are some cases where you're at night or something or other, and this would interfere with your shot. You can turn that screen off for those times. So those are good. All right, now I want to stop it. Click. And you can change the sound, you know, the click beep sounds and what have you. And now I'm just going to turn it off, and remember to turn it off about 3 seconds holding it. Click. And she's off. That is a very nice little setup. I recommend that the little media mod, and it's worth it. It's not that much, and but it does a lot. And I a lot of times am recording something from away, and without that extra microphone on there, you don't hear it so loud. It's very low. Okay, I want to thank you for watching my video.